Good afternoon, everybody. We're still at Windrock. We're about to go on Trail 16. Is it a double black diamond or just a black diamond?
Double black diamond.
Double black diamond. Haven't wanted to do it for like 3 years now, just because it doesn't look fun to me. But we're gonna give it a try because my dad's been wanting to do it. So we're gonna see how it goes.
The girls picked Trail 16, by the way.
It was.
Dad didn't pick it.
We
It was
had
pick
to,
one black diamond
yeah.
that we're doing, and that's how we came up with this number.
Yeah.
Kennadie hasn't wanted to ride on this trail for
Probably 3 years.
Yeah. But we're gonna give it a shot. We don't know if it's gonna be muddy. We don't know if it's gonna be good. We don't know if it's gonna be easy, hard. I told her she'll winch over the rocks that she doesn't want to do anything in the way.
Or bypass.
So we're starting off where?
At the corner of 2 and 16.
Yeah.
Well, 16. The end of 2.
Came off 2 from the
North side?
general store, yeah, and then heading up 16.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully the going up, not down.
I'm pretty sure we're going up, right? Yeah, we got to be going up. Yeah, we're going up.
Which way's easier?
We're
Weren't they
up.
saying that going up was easier?
Well, that's the way we're going.
Well, I know, but that's what
We'll find out.
find out. Yeah, so we're gonna find out. Hopefully the waterfall.
Yeah,
There's a
hopefully there's
waterfall
water.
They say it's one of the prettiest hopefully. ones.
Hopefully there's water coming down off it.
Seen waterfalls all of this trip. Yeah, it's been super dry and no waterfalls. There usually is, and it rained a lot the day that we got here.
Tons of rain,
So
but it's still been pretty dry. This trail's usually not dry though. This one's usually pretty mucky and muddy.
yay.
We'll find out. Kenny's got her friend Michaela with us. She's not too excited about this, but you ready for it?
Yeah.
Is that a positive yeah, or just yeah, I have no choice?
I'm getting bit.
Yeah, I have no choice.
All right, ready?
Let's do this.
Let's go. Just getting in. Woo. Go ahead, roll back. Did it sound like you snapped an axle right off the bat?
What?
Did you hear a snap? Okay, go ahead, roll back. There you go. Turn your wheels this way. Now try to give it a good bump. Back it up and do it again. You had it. Keep going.
What?
Keep going. Stop. Turn the wheels a little bit.
What's that?
A little more. There you go. Give it a good bump. There she goes. Kennadie's little 900 usually does a fantastic job too. That's a great little machine.
It is. Little beast. She's a really good driver.
Woo!
So we're at the first obstacle. We're gonna walk up and see what we got going.
First obstacle here, there's a bypass. We'll see if we can't do this one though. I don't think it'd be an issue, but never know. pretty good. A lot of wet rock. Nah, I think Kennedy should be fine on this. All right, first obstacle, trail 16. Is it gonna be good? We don't know. We're gonna do it? Absolutely.
I'm gonna break a cankle going up this little path. I said I'm gonna break a cankle going up. Back up. Back up. Right, just a little bit. Because you're caught on a rock right there. There you go. Over this way. There you go. Testing out that cage.
Hang on. Stay right on that edge and give it. Back her up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. There you go. Now hammer it. That a girl? And there goes the little 900. Back to Slappy. gas than I did. No. No, you're good. Try to stay up on the wall if you can. Yeah, you got to go in there. You can try to ride the wall and try to ride right here, but you're probably going to drop. No tires are going to come off the ground. Your tires won't come off the ground. You can't tip anywhere. Don't turn the wheel. Just go straight back. Don't turn your wheel. Hard, hard. There you go. Good job.
That was terrifying.
That was what?
Terrifying.
What you got? Bugs in your feet?
No, I have all that stuff from the walls in it. Well, we got some more wall action going on here. Watch the stub. See that angle? He's way up there. Good times, Caramel. listen, we're getting somewhere, folks.
Anyone got a shovel?
Let me just pull one out of my butt.
I am not built for this lifestyle.
You'd rather be mall walking?
It's like deep.
Build a sandcastle.
Honestly.
Please, we're getting pelted with rock surprises.
Enjoy, boys.
No.
Are you enjoying it or no?
When I'm not covered in 6 pounds of dirt.
It's not too bad.
My poor phone cover.
Shake it all out. Pull it all out.
We're sideways.
We're trying.
Claw it out.
She was trying.
Oh,
It's like deep.
use your helmet.
Ew, no. Why would you do that?
Back of my head.
Shit, we might as well stop here for a second.
I feel like
Mom, you got on my shoe.
those poor people. I feel bad.
Why?
Did we shove them out of the way?
No, the front guy he had no reverse. I told him, I said, just go up to your transmission on the linkage. He broke his cable. I said, just go to the transmission on the linkage.
I know how you feel up there.
If you ever break your linkage and you can't go in reverse, come back on here, grab that, rip it, and put yourself
You
in
have a
reverse.
big cut.
Yeah, I seen that.
Battle wounds.
Yeah.
Look at you. Here, let's see. Your battle wound with you standing so cute like that. Dad stands.
No, you have to see your battle wound.
There's the dead stance.
He's been through it all.
You're cute. All mine.
Dad
All
stand.
the dirt out?
No.
She'd rather be at the mall, he said.
Yeah, Michaela's a mall person, not a...
Mall, not mud.
Michaela's a wall person, not a sidewall person. A mall person.
A wall person.
Hiya!
Michaela's a wall person.
Sorry, that was really bad.
She likes walls. It's okay.
Yeah, I totally.
Well, we ready, Betty Lou?
Yeah.
Head on?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Onward and upward.
Oh, okay.
Jesus is my Lord and Savior.
do you think on Trail 16 so far?
That it's funny watching Michaela have to dig the dirt out of her.
Michaela's not a country girl. You got to be having a little bit of fun though, huh? No fun whatsoever?
Yeah, I'm having fun.
But you'd rather be at the mall not getting mud in your fingernails?
I'd rather be getting my nails done.
The things we do for teenage girls.
You got soda.
Is that a good snack?
Yeah. You want some?
Yeah, after we get done with this trail, what are we going to have?
Fried bologna!
Bologna sandwiches!
Probably doesn't even like that.
What?
No.
Are you kidding me? This girl doesn't like fried bologna sandwiches.
She's never gonna go anywhere with us
She's
again.
got, we got issues.
You have gross food. You make me get covered in mud.
Basically.
And she comes with a sore throat.
I know,
My Lord.
You're a trooper.
What a trooper. Digging out mud while we all just sit here and enjoy ourselves.
And
She's housekeeping over here. What'd she say?
I don't know. What'd you say? You guys just hate on me. No.
We love you.
Bring you.
If we didn't like you, we wouldn't tease you.
That's very true.
They didn't feed
We can't please this girl. But all right, she's still having fun. All right, we're moving on.
Onward and upward.
Made it to the waterfall.
Yeah, first time.
Huh?
We've been trying to make it here for a while. But
Yeah, I don't know why we didn't do that before that way. Doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I think we just kept getting caught up on the wall at one time and the water was a lot higher.
I'm not sure what happened.
That's what happened.
Is that what it
And
was?
we were alone. We didn't have another machine, so we were kind of like, well, what if something happens and we get stuck? And you had just had, I think, the new cage on, or the doors, and the door was like, and then you were like, I guess we'll turn around.
Yeah, probably. All right, let's go check it out.
Let's go. Here's the infamous waterfall that everybody speaks of. It's pretty.
Not too shabby.
I feel like it has a lot more potential. But
Yeah.
we've been here where there's been waterfalls that aren't even like talked about as waterfalls. They're gorgeous, but it's still really pretty.
Yeah, it's nice. I bet you if it's flowing. I mean, I don't know how well that one flows, but
Yeah.
it's cool.
Yeah, I'd like to slide down it.
Kennadie almost just dumped info in it. to go backwards. Is your back wheel spinning?
I don't know.
Try again.
What?
Try again.
Backward?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Try forward. Go. Keep going. Stay in it. Stay in it. Turn your wheels. Man, oh man. That was a rough one.
No, I can't reach the pedal when I'm laying back like
I know.
that.
You're turning your wheels too far that way though. You got to keep it straight. You got to point in that direction.
Well, I'm being pulled.
All right, here we are again. Still on Trail 16. It's been probably 3 hours.
Yeah.
Um,
By now.
we are at the famous wall climb, the rock wall thing. Let me give you a better view on how tall it actually is. So that's just like the first little bit of this obstacle. It's not bad at all. Just like simple rocks. It's just like skinnier. But then there's this. And that thing up there. Right. So I don't know what he plans on doing. I think his only option really is here, but that's I don't think that's gonna happen. Or here and then go up around that corner. But the problem with that is the path right here is too skinny. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like he'll be fine. He'll be fine in that area, but probably not here because it's so slanted and coming off right of this
Oh, good lord.
turn. But
That's, I could say.
yeah, which,
Yeah.
because if he gets too high up here, it's flopped over that way. Roll cage goes right on the corner of that rock. But I don't know, we're figuring it out.
And it's thundering.
Okay. He's up there looking at the bypass. And then there's this, which, if he can get through that, he can get through this. Oh, God bless you, Terry. But the view's pretty. Pretty.
Excuse me.
Okay. That's it. Let you know whatever we do.
All right, so we've done everything so far, but we're at this wall up here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be bypassing this one. I don't think either one of us are getting up this one. I don't even think Kennadie wants to ride up this one. She's done great so far. We had to winch one on one section for her, but everything else she's done. So we'll see what this one does.
To go back more?
I can go back?
You're gonna tilt this, yeah.
Can I head this way?
Yeah, you can go that way. Yeah, I don't know.
All right, next up, let's get the other car up here and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do.
Terry's riding my machine up. Excuse how I look like a wet dog, but.
It's alright.
Away. Oh! Now, Terry, how do you manage? How does she manage?
Keep going.
Keep going!
Go that way?
Yes. Turn your wheels this way. Now go forward.
Huh?
Now go forward. What in the world she was just doing? Or that was hilarious. Car ended up on its side completely. Oh, Betty Lou! She ended up on her side.
How did she even do that?
I have no clue. So you realize you just ended up completely on your side.
Yeah, how did you do that?
How did you even do that?
I don't know. I just was there.
Oh my gosh.
That literally.
That was so funny.
That was great. Leave it. Just go. Uh-oh.
I'm not even sure what just took place there. I'm not even sure how that even happened.
That's why I don't like driving, because I'm not good at it.
Well,
No, you usually are good at
You
it.
went to the wrong side. Even here, you stayed in this rough stuff. You didn't go to the light
You
stuff.
know why?
Why?
Because I do everything backwards.
Yeah, including the
Literally.
machine.
Everything.
Like maybe you should go from
Did you scare yourself?
Yeah, when I couldn't hear you, I thought I was going to go backwards for sure.
No, there was nowhere for you to go. The only thing you could have done
tilted to
is come straight up, but somehow you managed to roll over onto your side, flip back up on the side, and continue on. Not sure how you did it, but you did it. Worked out well.
Leave it to me.
Good job.
So the girls are walking up the bypass. That's the bypass. It's pretty intense for the bypass. He's even doing the bypass.
people have winched on it. Apparently. Go to Winching tree. Oh, I don't know how we're gonna get up this, but we're gonna figure it out.
At the end. We'll get through it. Winched out on that one. Both of us hit. No, I didn't winch out. This machine hasn't winched at all. Winched at all. Let's finish up this run. 15.5 miles.
So we're back and we successfully completed Trail 16. I figured out that it was a little over 15 miles, like 15 and a half, or somewhere around there.
15.3, something like that.
Yeah, and it took us 4.5 hours. We were actually pretty lucky. We didn't have to winch out at all Kennadie's machine twice, I think.
2 times.
And it took us about 2.5 hours, but overall I think it was pretty successful, no broken parts.
What took 2.5 hours?
It took 4.5 hours, not 2.5.
4.5 hours for that whole trail.
Yeah.
But
So-
I mean, no, people normally do it around 5. So it's about like normal,
Yeah.
little left.
And it wasn't too, like,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
muddy or waterlogged. It was pretty dry for the most part. I mean, the normal spots, but
It was
There's a few sections, but
yeah.
It was exhausting. It was tiring. It's stressful. It'll keep you on your toes the whole entire trail. There's barely any downtime.
Oh, I agree.
Did you think that was good?
Yeah.
Would you ever do it again?
I would, I think.
Turn you into a country girl a little bit or no?
No.
You still like the malls? Yeah, it happens.
She went negative in country.
Kennadie did good. That 900 doesn't get enough credit. What it is a great small machine. Those carnivores don't get enough credit either. The tires that are on there, we've got Rockzillas on ours, 35 inch. Of course those are going to work. She's got 28 inch carnivores on that machine, and those tires absolutely do a ton of work. But those tires get crapped out a lot. I'm not sure why. It's a fantastic tire. Even out here, it's a great tire out here. It does a very good job. And that machine does a good job. Kennadie does a good job. It was fun.
It was fun. It was hot. It was like 100 degrees.
It was really hot when it was like around 1:32.
August 16th. Definitely hot.
Yeah. Hot.
But
In
fun.
the shower.
Yep. We're going to close this one out. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.